I'm Steve James from Computer Science and Engineering Department. I'm here to explain about the realization of logic gates using universal gates. Yeah, here we can see two types of universal gates, which is known as NAND gate and NOR gate. Why we are calling these as two universal gates? Because it implies to create other gates also, like NOT gate, AND gate, and OR gate. Yeah. Here we can see the specifications of that. Now this AND gate and a NOT gate represents an NAND gate here. I am just combining the input values of this NAND gate, so I can get a NOT gate. Yeah. Here its function as z is equal to x dot x the whole complement, which gives us x complement, which is nothing but a formula of NOT gate. Yeah. So we can see here in the truth table that input value of x is 0. It represents that complement of 0 as 1, which here the bulb glows. So we can get the output as 1, which is the complement of 0. Yeah. If we are changing the value of x as 1, then we can see here it represents the lower output, which is 0, which is the complement of 1. Yeah. Like the same way, we can go to other gate of the AND gate also. It is also used to make AND gate. Here I have used two NAND gates, and in the second NAND gate I have combined the input values here, which AND is nothing but a complement of NAND gate. Yeah, totally. So this NAND gate here reverses the process of AND gate, and another NAND gate here reverses the process of this NAND gate into AND gate. So we get the output as AND gate. Here its formula like x dot y the whole complement dot x dot y the whole complement, which gives the whole complement is equal to x dot y, which is nothing but a formula of an AND gate. Yeah. Here we have two input systems and one output here. If in case of 0 and 0, it does not glows, which represents the value of 0, and the output also comes under lower variable. If here we represent x as 1 and y as 0, then also we are not getting any output of higher value. So hence we can see here 1, 0 is equal to 0, which is known as the AND multiplication process here. Yeah. If in case of both the values of high digit values, which here we can see here the bulb glows. Hence we can conclude that 1 into 1 is equal to 1, which gives the correct output of the high value using AND gate. Yeah. Now we can move on to OR gate using NAND gate. It's nothing but a bubbled NAND gate. Here we can see three NAND gates using for that. One NAND gate, the first two NAND gates are combined with its input. So it represents an one NAND gate, and here it represents an another NAND gate with combined values. So it has x and it has y, which here totally the both the x and y gets combined here with another NAND gate. So we are using three NAND gates here. It has now two inputs and one output here. So we can see here the formula of x dot x the whole complement dot y the whole complement to the more whole complement, which gives the combination of x plus y. It is nothing but an OR gate. We can here verify with its truth table itself. Yeah. While we are having both the zeros, it represents the value as output of 0. If in case of we are making the x as 1 and y is 0, look like 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. We are getting the same higher value of the output. If in case of both the values are 1, again it gives the same output as 1. Hence it is verified that correctly. Now we can go to the NOR gates. Yeah, here we are using the same process for NAND gate. Like this is the NOR gate. We are combining the input values here. So it gives one input and another one as output side. Here we are using the formula as z is equal to x plus y the whole complement, which gives the x complement correctly. Yeah, we are having x input as 0, which returns the higher value input, which is nothing but 1. Even if in case we are changing the X as 1, the bulb does not glow, it represents the 0. And again, we are going to NAND gate using the same properties of OR gate using NAND is the same process for NAND gate using NOR. It is also a bubbled NOR gate, which consists of 3 NOR gates here and 2 combined X and Y NOR gate, which is attaching here to another NOR gate here. Here we are using that X plus Y the complement plus Y plus Y the complement, which gives to the whole complement is equal to X dot Y, which is nothing but a formula of an AND gate. Now we can see here the 0 and 0 represents the 0 and 0 and 1, which is also represents 0. So through the multiplication process, we can easily get the value as 0. And if in case of both the values are 1, it represents the higher value 1 where the bulb glows, we can see here. Yeah. Now we can go to OR gate using NOR. It is nothing but the same as AND gate process in NAND gate, and here we are using it for OR gate process. Here also we have 2 inputs and 1 output system where X represents 0 and Y represents 0 gives an output as 0, and X represents 1 and Y represents 0, it gives the same output as 1 where the bulb glows, we can see here right now. If in case of both the value are 1, then also it returns the same value as 1. Hence, we can confirm that formula that Z is equal to X plus Y the complement plus X plus Y the complement to the whole complement is returns as X plus Y, which is nothing but an OR gates formula. Yeah. Here we are verifying all the logic gates using the universal gates. Hence, the NOT gate using NAND gate and NOT gate using NOR gate, AND gate using NAND gate, AND gate using NOR gate, OR gate using NAND gate, and OR gate using NOR gate, all verified with their respective truth table values. Yeah. Here I conclude by saying that hence it is verified to the truth table and the logical gates are represented by the universal gates. Yeah. Yeah, okay, thank you. Yeah, again, thank you.